This course will help you to strengthen and expand your knowledge and skills in water management, enabling you to tackle today's critical water-related challenges. In the first top modules, you build your foundation of the core science that underpins management, focusing on hydrology, water quality, ecology, and modeling. You will learn through a combination of lectures, field trips, workshops, and computer practicals. For example, in aquatic ecology, you go out into the field with Environment Agency officers to learn how water quality samples and biodiversity data are collected from rivers. You then return to the university to analyze these in the lab and work collaboratively with colleagues to analyze them statistically and interpret the results. In the remaining top modules, you delve into the specific water-related challenges of flood risk management and drought and water scarcity. You then pull your learning together to identify and develop effective and resilient solutions. The highlights of these modules are field trips to visit flood infrastructure, sustainable drainage systems, and interactive workshops to brainstorm solutions. Running through the course, we have a unique competency program called the Knowledge and Skills Pathways. These pathways identify the additional learning that develops across the modules, related to transferable skills like writing and oral presentation, and sector-specific skills and knowledge related to data management, spatial data visualization, and climate change impacts and mitigation. Thus, you learn much more than the model titles suggest.